Hi everybody, welcome to my another video. Today's video is going to be very special for all of you and a very educational video. Today I'm going to share with you most 7 common phrasal verbs that you need to know that if you wanna speak like a native speakers. So before I start the main topics, I just want to mention one more thing, that is while we are find a new words in English, that time we just trying to find the definition or explanation in our native language, but it's not suitable for all of you. So what do we need to do? We need to find the definition or explanation in English that we can learn English properly, or with that we can easily think in our English in our mind. So it's the suitable things to do. So in this video, all 7 word I will be explain you with example, in all everything will be happen in English. So let's begin, and if you're interested in the video, please continue to watching this video, and let's jump on the screen. Alright, so we are here the screen. So how to use most common 7 phrasal verbs. So the first word is bring up. That means to mention something when telling to user to talk about something. So here's the example. For example, please don't bring up the topics in the meeting today. So instead of bring up, we can also use mention. So please don't mention the topics in the meeting today. So here's the second word, that is call off. So that means to stop doing or planning to do something. For example, here's the example. So Shamima called off the wedding because she decided she didn't love her. So instead of called off, we can also use stopped. So Shamima stopped the wedding because she decided she didn't love him. Alright, so here is the number 3, that is come across. To seem to have a particular quality or characters, to make a particular impression. So here is the example. Sami came across as a bit bossy. So instead of came across, we can also use seemed. So Sami seemed a bit bossy. So when we use seemed, we cannot use as. So next step, that is number 4, come up with. So that means to get or think of something that is needed or wanted. For example, we finally come up with a solution to the problem. So here's the come up with. So instead of this word, we can also use realize or found. We finally realize a solution to the problem. Okay, so here's the number 5, that is fall apart. That means to become unable to live in a normal way because you are experiencing a lot of confusion or emotion pain. So for example, after the divorce, he fall apart. So here's the fall apart. Instead of this word, we can also use broke down. So after the divorce, he broke down. So here's the number 6, get along. To be remain friendly. For example, we are not together anymore, but we are get along great. So instead of get along, we can also use great friends. So we are not together anymore, but we are great friends. So when we will use great friends, so we cannot use great of the finishing of the sentence, or we need to use or after the we. Okay, so here's the last word, that is get away. To go away from a place. For example, I have been so busy the last few weeks. I really need to get away for a little while. So here's the get away. So instead of this word, we can also use leave. So I have been so busy the last few weeks, I really need to leave for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching. I will be back part 2. Thanks for watching.